contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing Harlem Heat from Area 51, weighing in at 222 pounds, the Captain Axe.
This is the match that I've been dying for all night long.
그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지.
He has a big match ahead of him. Gonna need a career-making performance here tonight.
내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어. 언제나 함께했던 나의 지나온 날처럼 너의 일상의 웃음을 피워주고 싶어. 당신의 행복이 되고 싶어.
And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 245 pounds, Mean Girl Hill.
I don't want to speak too early, but with competitors like this one, this match has all the makings of an instant classic.
A man who always gets a strong reaction from the WWE Universe, and it will only intensify once the bell rings.
You can see by the look on his face that he came here tonight to send a message.
He's certainly determined to prove a point, and that's that he should be on top.
Well, he has the opportunity to prove that point tonight, Corey. We'll see if he's all bark.
But don't overlook his opponent, a superstar who is tired of living in the shadows.
A move like that is what sets you apart from other superstars.
Double axe handle.
Evades the attack and not a moment too soon.
Set him up. Russian leg sweep.
Using the sharp point of the elbow.
Measured up and fist drop. Countering that offense.
Counters on counters, technical prowess on display.
Stop right to the gut. Turns that in his favor. He's no longer looking at his best.
No cause for concern on his part. It's still early.
Precision offense here. He's leaving zero room to breathe.
No need to slow down now. He's putting the pedal to the metal.
Every strike more devastating than the last.
Turning the tables. Can he do it? Kick out at one.
Not even a 2 count. He's still holding strong here.
We're locked in reversals here. Neither competitor intimidated.
What a powerful belly-to-belly.
Headed out of the ring, but the count is looming.
Oh, turned into a backdrop.
Whoa, whoa, effective fist to get out of trouble.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
He slipped out of the way there.
What's he have here?
Slam down hard.
And we have a pin attempt.
That was a long 2 count there.
Making a hasty retreat to the outside. Some may consider that.
That puts an end to that, thank goodness.
Definitely some damage dealt to him there.
Big backdrop. Intense look in the eye. eyes as he calculates his next strike. Tossed with ease. Just got thrown around like a sack of you-know-what.
And he retaliates.
Each athlete finding an answer for everything thrown at them.
Time to go for a ride. Exploder suplex. Taking things to the top rope. Come on, man.
Incoming.
All the way down to the floor.
Taking flight only to find nobody home at ringside. What a disastrous miscalculation.
Totally helpless at the moment.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Power bomb into the barricade.
What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there. Counters and counters. Each superstar looking dialed in.
He's got him here. He's got him up.
And
Boom!
With the counter. And he gets set back into the ring. He's really pushing the limit here, getting close to a count out. Bang! He finds a counter. Release back suplex.
catches the kick.
Dragon screw! Dragon screw! Oh, yes!
Big kick.
He's been put through the ringer tonight.
The wear and tear has finally started to set in, but at least it's not worse. Oh! Instead, dropped with a DDT. Look at him stumbling back up. Might have double vision.
Oh, uncorked a big punch. Check out this power in the corner. Driven down Snake Eyes.
He might have him here.
Is this it?
Barely kicks out.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out. Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Pressure on the windpipe.
Looking for a neck breaker here, but managing to power their way out.
Break the hold on a neck breaker of their own. All right, this could be for the win. No, he gets the shoulder up.
He may not have too much left, but at least he had enough to kick out there.
Up across the shoulders. Round and round and round we go. UFO. That's got to be a wrap.
Cover. Somehow he kicked out.
Somehow mustering the strength to kick out at the last second.
I can see it in the eyes from here. Disbelief. Unbelievable how this one is still going on. Reversed.
Quick escape from danger there.
And look at front back suplex.
Very nice.
And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission maneuver coming. Trapped in the cross-facing. Wait, look at this. And a great counter to the submission.
Has him in the corner, thinking of the next move.
Uh-oh. Oh, he flips that around. Lariat. Ooh. Measured up and fist drop.
And able to skirt around that attack. Finishing it up with one more.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, shot to the gut, got stunned. Big impact.
Here we go. He thinks this is it.
Wards off the pin at 2.
Both competitors digging deep into their wells to keep this match going. Put into the corner. What could be next?
Powerful uppercut finds the mark. Oh, roll through right there. Beautiful. Oh, yes.
Driven down hard. Beautiful. Right into the cover.
2 count. And the victory. Here is your winner, the Captain. Guys, it's rare we see such a closely contested match.
I don't care if it's your 5th victory or your 5,000th. As he's showing right now, nothing matters more here in WWE than having your name called and your arm raised.